Sustainable living at its finest. Enjoy picturesque views of Mt Pilchuck sunrises through beautiful 12-foot sliding or fully opening panoramic glass doors, in the most comfortable home you will ever live in, no matter the season, for less than $900 per year. This home was nominated for 2020 House of the Year by Premier Sips. Radiant heat/cool flooring, 20-panel solar system, LED lighting, triple pane windows and solar tubes. 5-burner propane cooktop, custom kitchen cabs, air conditioner mini splits. 900 square feet wrap around deck west/speakers and 25 by 25 covered parking. Fully fenced yard and pasture, garden beds, greenhouse and magical cedar forest with seasonal creek. 3 miles off I-5 and a short walk or ride to Mt Pilchuck Tree Farm, offering horse, hiking and bike trails.